Primera lang ha. Primera.
They close the door eh. Can you come in there? You took 30 kilo there.
Drive mo na lang, Waki. Tapos, ano?
Bato, tinanggal mo na yung bato yan.
Go.
Kaya ko ah.
Yeah, man.
Bigat na tayo. Dalawa medyo bumaba mo na tayo.
Nakadrive ka ba?
Baka mabigat kami dalawa ni Pedro.
Oo, mabigat. Oo, mabigat.
Are you too heavy? You sit in there. That's why the cow going to become 1,000 kilo already. Hey, yeah. Yeah, okay na.
Ate Jopet, ikaw lang mabigat pala doon? Ikaw pala yung mabigat, Ate Jopet.
Okay na. Boy, see?
Salamat.
Okay, sige.
Salamat.
Ayaw mabigat.